Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make custard jelly cake. First, let's gather our ingredients and prepare our workspace. You'll need about 2 cups of milk, half a cup of sugar, 3 large eggs, and 2 tablespoons of gelatin powder. Also, have your favorite fruit ready for the jelly layer. Ensure your 8-inch round cake pan is ready. This delightful dessert combines a rich, smooth custard with a bright, fruity jelly, creating a wonderful texture contrast. Now, let's create that luscious custard base. Begin by whisking 3 egg yolks with about 1/4 cup of sugar until they are pale and fluffy. Gently warm 2 cups of milk, then slowly pour it into the egg mixture, whisking continuously. Return this to the saucepan and cook over low heat, stirring constantly until it thickens beautifully. Finally, stir in 1 tablespoon of dissolved gelatin and let it cool slightly before pouring into your prepared pan. Next, we'll prepare the vibrant jelly topping. Start by dissolving 1 tablespoon of gelatin powder in about 1/4 cup of hot water until clear. In a separate saucepan, combine 2 cups of your favorite fruit juice with 1/4 cup of sugar. Gently heat this until the sugar fully dissolves, then stir in the dissolved gelatin. Allow the jelly mixture to cool to room temperature. While it cools, arrange your beautifully sliced fresh fruit over the chilled and set custard layer in the pan. For the final steps, carefully pour the cooled jelly mixture over the arranged fruit and the already set custard layer. Make sure the jelly covers all the fruit evenly. Now, the most important part, chilling. Place your beautiful custard jelly cake in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. This ensures both layers are perfectly set and firm. When ready to serve, gently unmold the cake and slice it with a warm, sharp knife for clean cuts. Enjoy your delightful creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.